Utirelo is Mpumelela's biological partner. One thing about my 2000 will forever confuse us. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know, the rules of the house is my name is Wasala. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. A happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. Be safe. I love you guys. So, obviously, we were ready for this one. He was going to do this anyway. So, Usbindi Msalek posted this picture and tagged Tirelo with a beautiful song. Yaga Kabza the smaller Amalanga awafani. The caption he went on to say that amadoda bathi Tloa in dark Tirelo baby bayoze bathi Bhuti engadini. First of all, uTirelo she's been begazale. For the past week, she's been dragged, roasted by people saying that she needs to leave the relationship. I mean, guys, I thought with the she has left the relationship. I was surprised when I saw her with her mind. I was like, yo, this girl really deserves a ring. She is the mom call of Mojolo, guys. So under the comment section, people went on to say that some are continuing to say congratulations to Vuyokase, guys. I stop it. That is enough. So this lady went on to say that why is this lady always wearing this dress, or it's a uniform? First of all, look at that dress. That dress represents the Makoti, you know. This is the type of dress that she needs to wear whenever she is in Muzumbe, so that Musamsaleko and Mayeni they can do the right thing. Because Musamsaleko was ready to do the right thing on Memhlo Pekas. And you still remember Musamsaleko. I think also Musamsaleko need to stop calling Utirelo Lentombazane, because right now Utirelo she is the mom call of Mojolo, you know. But there's one thing people are saying that, you know what, we're no longer sure whether we should celebrate your relation, because this man continue to embarrass you, even though he's posting you, appreciating you, you are always with his family, but he's always with the girls going to different places. A lot of ladies are coming out on social media, posting him, exposing him. We don't know whether you are happy or you're just pretending, guys. And some are saying that they are worried about this Ngani's Temple season 3 because of as she has now left the relationship. Obviously, she did confirm that she's not coming back on Ngani's Temple. She's gonna come for what? Because she's no longer with him. We are not sure whether she's gonna come from Hlopekazi and Zulu, but does not even make sense. It is all about Izingani's temple. So people are saying that if Utirelo leaves this relationship, because these people, numbers, they don't lie. One thing about Tirelo, guys, as much as she is the understanding girlfriend, but when it comes to people, people really watch Izingani's temple because of her and Vuyokazi. I'm not trying to lie. That is true. Yes, we love Abongwe, Lwandle, and Pume, and Bilo and Sneh, but without Vuyokazi and Tirelo. So people are saying that I will spend you need to do the right thing. This lady, she's been there for you. I think also Tirelo, she now enjoy, because whenever Uviokazi was around, people used to call her the side chick. You know, she was not getting the attention she was getting on social media, because people used to prefer Vuyokazi compared to her. She had to prove herself every day. No wonder why she was acting up. She was doing all the kind of shandy so that she can get the attention. Right now, she's getting all the attention, and probably she doesn't no longer need attention, because obviously she's now famous and now she is the main character in the movie, because the main character also left the movie. Now we have replaced Vuyokazi with her, so it's very difficult. No wonder why she did not comment when it comes to this Shendi Yaka Kokos Kotene, Yaka Poiti. She was quiet, but that time when Vuyokazi was around, we all know that Utirelo, she was gonna make things laughing, acting as if she's fine. Right now she understands that I am the mom call of Mojolo. I need to be quiet. I need to be silenced, you know. I need to behave like a woman. Whenever my man makes a mistake in public, I need to correct him in private. I don't need to go to social media, act like, no, I'm a camp fan. I don't care. Mom Kulu will fix the situation. You understand? Right now, She is the HOD, she's the principal, she's the president of this Mujolo, guys. She has no choice but to understand and to accept the situation. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys. You are making a lot of noise, hasn't there, Shumaila? But one thing I know for sure about Tirelo, guys, is she has a lot of potential, and some are advising Tirelo that she could start a YouTube channel, she could sell something online, she can really make a lot of money and go back. I don't know whether she's still funded by NSFAS or whether she's still studying, because if she was studying become accounting, I don't know which university. I don't think there's, maybe if it's a South Africa, University of South Africa, maybe she's doing online. We are not sure, guys, because people are always dragging her to say go back to school, go back. So what if she's studying online? We don't know, guys. So anyway, guys, so tell me in your comment section, guys, continue to appreciate uTirelo. uTirelo, it's Mpumelela's biological partner ngoba uyabekezela ntombazana. She's not going anywhere, she's here to stay. Even the comments, even the fans, some are even saying that you can never make haters. Obvious, we are not hating on Tera. We're just saying that while you are dating Pomela, please have something on a side so that when something happen, you know that you have a backup, you have a plan. I mean, studying bigger come counting, guys. That is a good degree. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, so like, comment, say happy Monday. God bless you.